Hey guys, it's Miss Crow here. I just wanted to try to record a video to show you where to access our recordings in case you miss a lesson or in case you're absent a day. So here I am in a student's account and I see two classes, which is what you should see. And so I'm going to go to Miss Crow's class. Here's our stream. Remember, our daily Zoom is here. I have other YouTube videos posted there, but here in classwork, you can see week 1. Those are all our assignments for week 1. If I scroll, I'm going to come to a heading that says recordings. This is where I'm posting the recordings by date. As you can see, the first day we have reading, writing, math, and science all together in one video. And then I have Tuesday's writing, Tuesday's reading, Wednesday's writing, Wednesday's reading. As long as I click on this, I can view material and I can click on this. It'll start playing right here. Or I can go to open and it'll open it in YouTube for me. Okay, so I'm going to go here. I'm going to go back. If you go farther down, If you go farther down, you'll keep scrolling and you'll see a heading called Technology Tutorials. Technology Tutorials. So within here, I'm sorry, I'm in the wrong spot. Let me go back. So week 1, recordings, and then here I have technology tutorials. And this is where I'm showing you different ways to submit photo assignments through a smartphone, submitting digital assignments, submitting photo assignments on an iPad, submitting photo assignments in Google Classroom from a laptop. So that's just a quick video showing you where to access these resources. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you so much.